Guys, we got two pairs of Yeezys dropping this weekend. On Saturday, we've got the Yeezy 500 Taupe Light, and then on Monday, we've got the Yeezy 700 Mnvn in the bright blue colorway. So, of course, you know what we're doing here today. I'm going to give you guys all of the best places to go and grab them, all of the raffles to go and enter, and just give you all of the information you guys need to know to go after either of these pairs of shoes this weekend. Now, I do want to give you guys a little update before we get into the video on the Adidas Confirmed App. So, in one of my last videos, I mentioned that I was having all kinds of errors, like I couldn't buy anything, I couldn't win any raffles, and just the app was not working for me. So I decided to chase this up. I called up Adidas and I was like, listen, I'm having all kinds of errors, I cannot buy anything on the app, I cannot win any raffles, what's going on? They said, don't worry, we'll contact the tech team and we'll get this sorted out for you. We'll email you within 24 hours with a solution. Guess what? They didn't email me. So then I called them up again and I was like, look, I haven't heard anything back, is there anything you can do? And then they told me the exact same thing, they were going to email me back within 24 hours with a solution. They didn't do that either. So because I didn't hear anything back from Adidas, I decided to just take things into my own hands, and what I did was I ended up deleting the app entirely, not just the app but my account and all of the information associated with that account. I created a new one and actually tested it out. So I bought a pair of slides or something and it managed to go through, and then I managed to enter the raffle for this pair of Yeezy 500s this weekend. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this actually works and my app starts to work again. So that was just a little bit of an update for you guys. If you had some of the same errors I was having, maybe you haven't won any raffles or you just cannot purchase anything within the app, maybe try and create a new account or maybe contact Adidas yourself. Hopefully they help you out. But either way, we got to get into today's video. So let's get started and let's start talking about the Yeezy 500 Taupe Light. This is dropping on June the 5th for the regular Yeezy 500 retail price at £170 here in the UK, or I believe $200 if you're out in the US. Now, Adidas has announced this pair of shoes. They said it's going to be dropping or available on adidas.com/Yeezy, on the Confirmed app in the United States and Europe, and on the Adidas app in select countries. So the best way of finding out where this is going to be dropping in your region is to go to adidas.com/Yeezy, and it should say up on that website where it's going to be releasing in your region. Now, for me here in the UK and anybody out in the US, it's going to be the Adidas Confirmed app, which the raffle is already live. So this is just super simple to enter, and kind of the first place you want to go. It's just going to be up on the homepage. You click the product, you enter your size, you have all your information filled out. Once you're confirmed for the draw, they'll let you know on Saturday morning whether you win or whether you don't. Now, along with the Adidas Confirmed app, there are plenty of raffles. There's actually a decent amount of stuff that you guys can enter right now, and of course, like always, I will link all of the raffles that I personally can find down in the description for you guys to go and enter up before the weekend. And like I always say, you want to try and enter as many as possible. That's just going to give you the best chances. If you're not too hot or keen on this pair of shoes, maybe just go for the Confirmed app, and if you take an L, you take an L. Now, this colorway of the Yeezy 500s, I'm particularly really excited for. I know I said that I like the way that Yeezy was going with the 500 with adding different colors to it, because pretty much all we've seen is monochromatic colorways. However, that monochromatic color option on the 500 model itself is actually really nice, and this one I am really excited for. It's pretty similar to the original blush colorway, just a little bit of a darker shade, pretty much a darker tan color, which I'm a big fan of. I'm excited to get this pair in hand, so let's hope for that W this weekend. So going into the raffles, get yourself ready for this weekend, and again, they're dropping on June the 5th. Now, on June the 7th, that is the Monday, we're getting the Yeezy 700 Mnvn in the bright Cyan colorway. The Mnvns are back, and that is something I'm a big fan of. I've told you guys I really like the Mnvn, and this like blue, really nice blue colorway is something I'm a huge fan of as well. Now, when it comes to Yeezy and Monday releases, what we've seen this year in 2021 is Adidas normally does a shock drop. What this means is they don't announce anything, don't give any information out until the day of the release, and that's when they pop up onto the Confirmed app, either for a 30-minute raffle, a 4-hour raffle, or a queue drop. Having said that, last weekend when they dropped the Alien Blues on Monday, they actually announced them on Saturday, and then they did a queue drop. So that's always a potential, and they could announce this 700 on Saturday as well. So I'd just be on the lookout. So of course, we don't have any raffle information on this pair of 700s just yet, but like always, I'm gonna update you guys over on my Instagram. So if you wanted to go and follow me over there, it is @LBellSneakers. You can always DM me if you have any questions as well, and when those raffles do pop up or when they pop up on the Confirmed app, I'll upload some stories and some information over there on my Instagram. And when it comes to sizing for the Yeezy 700 Mnvn, if you haven't tried a pair out, I would actually go a half size up. For me, the Yeezy 700 Mnvn is just slightly more snug than on other or the regular Yeezy 700, so I always go a half size up, and that's what I recommend for you guys. And for sizing on the Yeezy 500 Taupe Light, I would actually recommend just going true to size. For me, I go true to size with all the 500s, and that seems to fit me just fine. I think both of these are very, very solid. I'm personally going to be going for both of these, and hopefully I manage to pick them up. And of course, I will leave all of the raffle information down in the description for you guys to go and enter up as many as possible. Now, with that being said, that pretty much wraps it up for both of these sneakers. A little release reminder for you guys this weekend. And of course, good luck guys on both of these releases. Go and spam some good luck for us down in the comment section. And like always, I want to thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. You know I'll catch you in the next one. But until then,